What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Him Dog. Today we got a little project to do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install my door speakers. Of course I have the factory Harman Kardon door speakers, but I blew this one out probably like 2 weeks after having my hellcat, and now my passenger side is starting to go out. So basically we're just gonna change those out. I'm pretty sure it happened, you know, playing that fucking Young Dolph, fucking Gucci, Time Money. Those a couple artists I listen to. You know, when I play my music, I got that shit cranked all the way up. Like, I like to hear that fucking bass. And the Harman Kardon system for the Hellcats is the shit. It's definitely the shit. So, I mean, that's just a result of banging your shit too fucking loud. And of course, when I put these in, I'm gonna do the exact same shit. So I'm just already got my mind set up that I'm about to have to keep doing this shit over and over and over again until this fucking car rusts away. So I think these speakers were, I think both of them together were like 100 something. I figured I could install it myself. It shouldn't be too fucking hard. I'm assuming it's just gonna be like some plug and play type shit. Yeah, that's the little plug. That's the little plug right there. So we're gonna get started with this installation video. I don't think it's too hard. There's a couple things you need to pop out first. There's a little door, this little piece right here. This goes into the door handle. Pop that out. I think the previous owner, because I got this car used, I think the previous owner already was fucking with it already, so he got the screw already taken out in that one. There's a screw right there. That's gonna take a socket. Then we gotta pop this little, out. Pop that out. And then there's 3 screws along the bottom. It's 1, 2, 3. And then on the side, gotta pop this little joint out. However, I'm gonna get to it in the video, and then everything else should just pop out, I'm assuming. And then replace the speakers. Same thing was happening in my fucking Scat Pack 2. My driver's side always went out first, and then the passenger side is always, you know, the next one to go out. So, like I said, it shouldn't be too hard. Once I get this door panel off, then I'm unplug, you know, the lights and shit like that, everything that's, you know, connected with it or whatnot, and then pop that factory speaker out, pop the new one in. So pray for me to get this little bolt out that was in there. I don't know if this is the factory bolt that they put in there, or that's just what whoever worked on this car beforehand put in there, but it was 9:30 seconds. So you're gonna need 9:30 seconds, socket head.
Do you know you're supposed to work out your lower body, too?
So I got those 3 screws out. Now I'm gonna work on popping this little tab out. This is the tool I needed, so I could get up underneath this little, pop this bad boy out. Because, you know, they like to make everything fucking hard to get off. Because they don't want people fucking with it. Come on, bitch. Alright, now you're gonna have to pull this bad boy off. Don't be scared to yank it too. All right, I just got everything resting up on this chair. So I'm just gonna pop these 4 screws out. And then take out this whole plastic piece with it. So. Yep, definitely using that again. Okay. I'm assuming just pop that tab, squeeze it. Press down on it, work it out. Since this new one doesn't have the styrofoam little piece around it, I'm gonna try to see if I can take this off and then stick it onto the new one. All right, so I stuck it on the new one. It peels right off. So I just peeled it back on, or stuck it back on there. All right, now we're gonna plug this bad boy back in, the new one. Boom, just like that. Pop these screws back in. Got one in there just to hold it. Got 2. 3. That should be full. I don't need them crazy tight, just enough to make sure them bad boys on there. Oh yeah, it's on there. Okay, just in case you guys need to see the layout of how everything is plugged in, you know, just take a look. Cord goes down there. Boom. This is all one cord right here. It just goes all the way down into there. That's the light for the door handle. I had my neighbor, he was taking a look at my car for the first time, so he had it right the first time of where that little hand, the little light hole is supposed to be at. I thought it was supposed to go into this clip somewhere, but I was wrong. So next time I take off my door panel, I'll go fix that. But as of now, I already got that shit put back together, so I ain't taking it back off. Yep, so I got the speaker back in there. I don't even know if I even recorded the last part, but just put everything back in reverse. Pop the panels back in. I gotta put these screws back in there. Just make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, do everything. You know, I appreciate the support you guys give me. I just hope that you guys continue to watch all my videos and give me more feedback. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the followers I got now. You know, let's keep this thing rolling. I'm keeping it rolling no matter what, but you know, thank you guys again. Love y'all. Peace. Dog 206.